Good morning, student. The next article is equation of motion of simple harmonic progressive longitudinal wave. In this equation, we have seen that the general equation of wave motion along the positive direction of x-axis is phi is equal to f of x minus ct. This is the general equation of wave motion. Okay. Now in longitudinal type of wave motion, the displacement of particle of the medium is along the direction of propagation, that is phi is equal to L. So using phi is equal to L in above equation, mean this equation phi is equal to L. The solution of differential equation is differential equation we have to see in last article. Which one is dabba square phi upon dabba x square is equal to 1 upon c square into dabba square phi upon dabba t square. This is the differential equation. Therefore the solution of differential equation can be expressed as L is equal to f of x minus ct replaced by phi is equal to L. This is equation number 1, where c is the velocity of longitudinal wave and is given by c is equal to square root of k upon rho. We have to see in last lecture. What is by k is the bulk modulus and rho is the density. During the propagation of simple harmonic progressive longitudinal wave, the particle of the medium executes simple harmonic motion. Do you know what is the simple harmonic motion? Along the direction of propagation of wave. So the function f, this function f can be sine or cosine or exponential of function x minus ct. Okay. Hence, equation 1 can be expressed as L is equal to L0 sine of k into x minus ct. This is equation number 2. First equation we have to written in this form, where L0 is the amplitude and k is a constant called as propagation constant. Okay. At x is equal to 0 means mean position, x is equal to 0. The above equation can be written as this equation: L is equal to L0 sine of minus kct. Okay. What is the value of x? X will be 0. That's why we have to written this equation: L is equal to L0 sine of minus kct. This k given bracket. Okay. Where omega is equal to k into c. Therefore, L is equal to minus of L0 sine of omega t. Okay. The value of kc. Okay. Omega t. This equation represents simple harmonic of angular frequency. Omega is equal to 2 pi nu is equal to 2 pi by t. This is the angular frequency. Using kc is equal to omega in equation 2. Sorry, equation 2 can be written as L is equal to L0 into sine kx minus omega t. This is equation number 3. L is equal to L0 sine of kx minus omega t. This equation represents wave equation of longitudinal wave traveling in positive x direction. This is the x direction. Then we have k is equal to omega by c. What is the value of omega? 2 pi nu upon c. But nu is equal to c by lambda. Lambda is the wavelength. Okay. Therefore, the above equation is k is equal to 2 pi upon lambda. C get cancelled. The equation of wave can also be represented as, put the value in this equation, L is equal to L0 sine of in bracket 2 pi by lambda into x minus 2 pi by t into small t. This is the period and this is the small t. Okay. Or L is equal to L0 sine of 2 pi in bracket x upon lambda minus t upon t, capital T, sorry, small t upon capital T. Okay, 2 pi upon 2 pi get cancelled, remaining value in written in this form. This is equation number 4. We know that the longitudinal wave advances alternate compression, okay, and rarefaction. The fluid are formed along the direction of propagation. It means that is continuous vibration of pressure all along the direction of propagation. Okay, pressure will be constant. So let us write the equation of wave in the term of pressure variation rather than in terms of displacement of the particle. Therefore, P is equal to minus k into dA by L by dA by x, seen in the last equation. Therefore, P is equal to minus k dA by x in bracket. What is the value of L? This is L0 into sine 2 pi in bracket x upon lambda minus small t upon capital T. Therefore, P is equal to minus 2 pi upon lambda into k L0 sine of, sorry, cos of 2 pi, because this negative sign cancel, 2 pi upon lambda into k L0 cos of 2 pi in bracket x minus lambda minus t upon capital T, or P is equal to minus P0 cos of 2 pi in bracket x upon lambda minus small t upon capital T. Okay, where P0 is equal to 2 pi upon lambda into k into L0 is called pressure amplitude. Okay, or maximum pressure. We know that sine theta minus pi by 2 is equal to minus cos of theta. Therefore, the above equation can be written as P is equal to P0 sine of 2 pi in bracket x upon lambda minus small t upon capital T minus of pi by 2. This is equation number 5, and this is the final equation. The equation 5 says that the excess pressure P varies simple harmonically between plus P0 and minus P0. The variation of waves is plus P0 to minus P0. Hence, sound wave can be considered as either a displacement wave or pressure wave. In the pressure, P is equal to plus P0. And in sound wave, P is equal to plus P0 is called compression, and P is equal to minus P0 is called rarefaction. This is plus P is the compression, minus P is the rarefaction. Okay, this is the equation of motion of simple harmonic progressive longitudinal wave.